Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective bedtime weight loss drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Brand is totally optional. This cayenne pepper provides beneficial plant compounds, protects your heart, improves digestion, maintains a healthy weight, eases pain and clears congestion. This cayenne pepper contains several important nutrients. Regularly eating hot peppers can benefit overall health. Add this to a mug like this. If you feel a teaspoon of cayenne pepper is too hot for you, then you can start with half teaspoon and then gradually increase to 1 teaspoon. To this, add hot water. Add water at 90 degrees, that is just before boiling. Mix it well. Few cayenne flakes may float and that is totally optional. The next ingredient is lemon. You will need about a tablespoon of lemon juice. So half the lemon is more than sufficient. Add it to the mug. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Mix it well. Now a healthy bedtime weight loss drink is ready. Drink this 10 minutes before going to bed. Also make sure to have your dinner about an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. This drink improves your metabolism while you are in sleep and cut down the belly fat. This drink is more efficient when you maintain a proper diet throughout your day and eat a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.